Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best metal detectors. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, Garrett Ace 400 Metal Detector. Unlock hidden treasures with the Garrett Ace 400 Metal Detector. Imagine exploring beaches, parks, or historic sites with confidence. Digital Target ID gives you a 0 to 99 numeric scale for precise finds. Know exactly what's beneath the surface before you dig. Iron Audio lets you hear iron trash, avoiding bottle caps and nails. No more wasted time on unwanted targets. Focus on real treasures. Electronic pinpointing zeroes in on your find for faster recovery. Non-motion all-metal mode helps you locate targets with accuracy. Adjustable frequency minimizes interference in busy detecting spots. Stay efficient even in crowded areas or near power lines. Lightweight ergonomic design ensures comfort on long adventures. Includes clear sound headphones, search coil cover, and cover-up. Perfect for treasure hunters, hobbyists, and outdoor enthusiasts. Upgrade your detecting experience. Choose Garrett Ace 400 today. Start your next adventure with precision, power, and reliability. Number 4, XP Metal Detectors Deus to 2. Unlock the next level of treasure hunting technology now. Picture yourself exploring beaches, forests, or rugged mountains. Meet the XP Deus 2, world's first fully wireless FMF detector. No cables, no limits, just pure, seamless metal detecting freedom. Switch between 12 factory programs or 49 single frequencies easily. Detect everything from coins to relics, even in mineralized ground. Waterproof and shockproof, ready for rivers, rain, or rough terrain. Ultralight ergonomic design reduces fatigue on long adventures. Integrated MI6 pinpointer connects wirelessly for total control. Pinpoint targets with 360 degrees detection and precise sensitivity settings. Retune instantly for saltwater or challenging mineralized soils. Remote control lets you manage every setting at your fingertips. Up to 30 hours detector battery, 90 hours pinpointer. Hunt longer. Experience faster finds, fewer false signals, and true accuracy. Upgrade your hunt. Choose XP Deus 2 and MI6 for unmatched results. Ready to discover more? Click now and start your adventure. Number 3, Nokta Triple Score Pro Pack Metal Detector. Ready to level up your treasure hunting game? Imagine exploring beaches, forests, or rivers, rain or shine. Meet the Nokta Triple Score Pro Pack, the ultimate metal detector kit. Simultaneous multi-frequency tech means you never miss a hidden find. Switch between 4 keyhets, 15 keyhets, 20 keyhets, or multi for unmatched accuracy. Fully waterproof, submerge up to 16 feet for underwater discoveries. Lightweight design, only 2.7 lums, lets you hunt for hours without fatigue. Long-lasting rechargeable battery, up to 12 hours of adventure per charge. Bluetooth enabled, connect wireless headphones for immersive detection. 3 search modes adapt to any terrain, from parks to rocky ground. Advanced bottle cap rejection keeps your finds clean and valuable. Stay up to date with online firmware updates for peak performance. Comes with a pointer, premium digger, carrying bag, pouch, and cap. Professional results, perfect for both seasoned hunters and beginners. Upgrade your treasure hunting experience today with Nokta Triple Score. Don't just search, score big. Order your Pro Pack now. Number 2, MINELAB X-Terra Elite Expedition. Most think metal detecting is guesswork and luck, but precision and technology make all the difference. I'm a professional treasure hunter with years of field experience. The real challenge, distinguishing treasure from trash quickly. That's where the MINELAB X-Terra Elite Expedition excels. Multi-IQ tech combines multiple frequencies for extreme accuracy. 119 target IDs separate valuable finds from unwanted metals. Advanced iron control filters out junk, focusing on real treasure. It's fully waterproof, search rivers, beaches, or underwater up to 16. Lightning fast wireless headphones deliver all-tone audio and depth cues. The Profind 40 pinpointer locates exact treasure spots, interference-free. I've uncovered coins and jewelry others missed, even underwater. Every hunt is more productive and rewarding with this detector. Ready to find what others leave behind? Get your X-Terra Elite Expedition and start discovering today. Number 1, MINELAB MANTICORE High Power Multi-IQ. Unlock hidden treasures with the MINELAB MANTICORE Metal Detector. Imagine exploring beaches, forests, or goldfields. No terrain is off limits. Powered by revolutionary multi-IQ Plus technology, it's 50% stronger than before. Simultaneous multi-frequency detection means nothing escapes your search. Advanced 2D target ID map shows exactly what's beneath your feet. Hear and see your targets clearly, even among trash. 10 dedicated search modes adapt to sand, surf, or rugged inland. Waterproof up to 16 feet, hunt rivers, lakes, and beaches confidently. Ultra lightweight and compact, fold it down for effortless transport. 11-inch double D coil delivers deep, precise detection every time. Customizable audio and rich sound help you identify targets fast. Night hunts? No problem. Built-in flashlight and backlit display included. Professional-grade performance meets ergonomic comfort for all-day use. Upgrade your treasure hunting, find more, dig less, enjoy every adventure. Ready to elevate your detecting game? Discover MINELAB MANTICORE today. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.